Good morning. Good morning. First person in was Frank Guadioso, then Troy. Welcome, Troy. And Jorge, number 3. All right. Today's early birds, usually an indication of who's going to make the most money. First people to get in here. What the heck is that with DWAC candle? Not sure what you're seeing, but there is it's doing pretty good. Step here is, okay. Cool. All right. It says I can now receive guest requests. Great. Thanks so much. All right. Let's see. We're live on TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, Periscope, Twitter, Zoom, Discord. Now, next step. Hello, everybody out there everywhere. Good morning. How are you all doing? Say hello. Let's see. Everything's working here on every network. All right. So this morning looks like the market is a smidge up after wilting a little bit. And oil is all the way up to $85 a barrel. $85 a barrel. And so energy, XLE, also running up all morning. And boy, it just looks like, oil and energy just continues to be the good bet lately, last couple of weeks or months. Then also we have rates holding steady sideways at the low of Friday. That should be okay for tech. So that gives tech a little bit of freedom. And also the oil going up like that should lift the whole market. The whole market will be going up. Including industrials will probably lead the way because of that. Gold is, just moving around just in a minor way. No big movements on gold, which is the ATM machine of the hedge funds. And then you have Bitcoin is at 63,000 roughly. So that's good. It's been bouncing off that 61,000 level with pretty good health. And this morning, the hottest stocks on our radar are Mark, M-A-R-K. I really didn't study it, but it has something to do with Donald Trump Jr. And then DWAC is also breaking out again this morning a little bit. Some of our members got it at 110. It's now at 115. And Mark was at $1.50 on Friday, and we got our members in at $2.20. Guess what it hit in pre-market? Just about damn near $10. So a lot of us were able to get out in pre-market already with hundreds of percent gain on Mark. So good job, guys, on that one. Fun, PHUN. Looks like it is also activating a bit this morning. And BENE, B-E-N-E. At this point, we got to watch to see if BENE breaks $20, and then we'd get in for about $3 of risk. Also, SONM, S-O-N-M, was at $1.90 on Friday, and it hit $5 roughly in pre-market. It's faded back to about $3.50, so we'll be watching that one as well. CRTD was at $4 on Friday and hit almost $10 in pre-market and has traded about 12 million shares already. So we'll be watching that one as well. GRNQ went quite parabolic a few minutes ago. GRNQ with almost 20 million shares traded already. Mark, by the way, with 77 million shares traded, and Fun with 60 million, and BENE with 11 million, SONM with 15 million. So you can see the difference in the amount of interest there. But GRNQ just moments ago, spiked up, and it's already hit 20 million shares. Also, MAQC, another hot opportunity this morning. If it breaks 11, that will be quite hot for it. One preemptive point in which you might be able to get in is 1074. So if it breaks 1074, at that point you can get in for about 50 cents of risk. However, we really want to see it break 11. GRNQ is starting to put in some positive movement right now. If GRNQ is to break $1.90, you can get in for 25 cents of risk. SALM, that's another one which closed at around 4, or let's see, hang on, let me see. About 460 on Friday, and hit almost $6 in pre-market this morning. Comms, another one, $1.17 on Friday, spiked up right at the close of the market. COMS, right at the close of the market, started to spike up from $1.17 went up all the way to about $1.80, and then it closed. And you could have got that on Friday for about $1.50. It hit $3, 100% gains in pre-market this morning. It's faded back to about 220, but we're going to keep an eye on that one. IZEA, IZEA. This one was at 224 on Friday, but hit $3 in pre-market. We'll be keeping an eye on it. CETX with 5 million shares traded. CETX closed after spiking up on Friday right near the close at $1.15. Hit $1.90 roughly in pre-market this morning. So we'll also be watching that one. All right, everybody on TikTok, if you'd like to join our trading community, make sure you click the link in our bio. In my bio, just click over to my profile, click my profile icon, and that'll bring up the little pop-up at the bottom. Click my name, and then click the link in my bio to join our trading community. So on Friday, for example, members did hundreds to thousands of % return on DWAC, which represented in some cases as much as a 50% return on their entire portfolio. So, some days we get that. We'll get an account doubler, and those are incredible days. Same thing on Thursday, same thing on Wednesday. We've been killing it with lots of multiple stocks. Today, it looks like Mark is one of the hottest, but we're going to be looking at everything just to be sure. All right, I'm going to label these up for you guys. Remember, you can click the link in my bio in order to come and trade with us. Just click the link in my bio. Over 400 members. So we have DWAC. We got BENE. We got Mark. We got Fun. Apple. SONM. SONM, CRTD, GRNQ, MAQC, obviously Tesla. We always keep an eye on that, and Tesla is super hot this morning. If Tesla breaks 953, you can get in for $10 of risk. 953, $10 of risk. CETX, IZEA, Comms. IZEA is where you can get alternative Swedish furniture. It's a competitor. Never mind. I'm kidding. All right. So what are you guys saying here? Good morning. Good morning, Brienne. Good morning, Lava. Good morning, Jason, Scott Cannon. All right. Good morning, Fernando, Michael, Kyle. Let me see if I can get a little more chat open here so I don't miss anything. Hello, is it Mola Monday? Yes, it is. What the heck is that with the DWAC candle? Oh shit, dropping. Retest on GRNQ. Yep, that's happening right now. Tesla is hot thanks to Hertz. Why? Oh God, please tell me Hertz is not planning to buy a bunch of Tesla auto driving cars. Check out BENE. Yep, that's what we're doing. You missed the mark on Mark. Oh man, we were in it since Friday, my friend. Fun at 12. Yes, it is. Yeah. The time to get into fun though, let's see, is well, yeah, 12. I like that. When fun breaks 12, I like that as an entry. My screen is not clicking for some reason. Yeah, so we're pretty much at right there now, and you can get in for about $1 of risk on fun, PHUN, dollar of risk. PayPal, what did you say? Could you tell us more about IZEA? Well, right now it's just for the trade, so that's all I could tell you. I could tell you that if it breaks $3, you could get in for about 50 cents of risk per share, and then you'll IZEA. IZEA, then we'll start playing the trade. IZEA, we're looking for that break over $3 on IZEA. There goes GRNQ. GRNQ, the pile-on looks like it's happening. It's running. Take another little profit right there. We've got the market opening in about 19 minutes. And you guys over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio in order to come join our trading community of over 400 members who, on Friday, collectively made over $1.5 million on DWAC. Please click the link in my bio if you'd like to come trade with us every day. Click the link in my bio. We had one member make $135,000 alone. Another member made $20,000 on DWAC. Tesla, fun. I mean, we were all over it on Friday. Troy, I think, made 51%. What was the final tally on that day, Troy? 51% for you on Friday. What was the end result? Good stuff. Hertz is going to buy 100,000 Teslas. This is why they're bankrupt. This stupid thinking. Oh my God. They're starting to sound like Nikola. Anybody remember Nikola? I mean, these people have, I don't know what for brains. Oh my God. That's really funny. 100,000 Teslas. Yeah, that's hilarious. We're going to buy 100,000 Teslas. All right, well, you're going to need a few $1 billion. Troy says up 51%, out at $24, back into play today. Great, Troy. All right. Everybody having a good morning. So what we're looking at this morning, already running, is GRNQ and DWAC. DWAC broke out at 110. GRNQ broke out at 1.9. So it's rallying now. And Mark has been pulling back after hitting $10 in pre-market. That puts it up about almost 1,000%. It's probably about 700% since Friday. Incredible. Glad we all got into that on Friday. But we're going to see if it can crack some significant level today. Really what we want to see is 10. We really want to see 10 on Mark. The rest is just gambling. So we want that confirmation of $10 break on Mark. PTLO on lower volume, but is continuing more. Just broke out of 42 and is almost hitting 44. PTLO. All right, there goes GRNQ just keeps going. I'll take a little more profit right there. DWAC options start trading today. How will that affect our strategy? I think that'll only add more attention and liquidity to the overall stock. So I think that'll be a good thing. Buy Mark now? No. Not necessarily, no. I think you should wait until $10. You should wait until it's going higher. Right? There goes GRNQ even further. I'm just going to keep taking profits every time it goes about 10 cents. I'll be taking profits every 10 cents. You're welcome, man. All right, I got so many accounts. I have to pull up some of them. I have to keep all my accounts in check, of course. GRNQ really happening this morning. Taking profit is the hardest thing to learn. Trust me, says somebody there. But that's why we always take partial profits. Like if you put $10,000 into something and it goes way up, take out $100. Like just think of it mentally, right? Take out $100. What difference is that going to make? You still have $9,900 on the line. So if it goes up further, you don't have to worry. You've taken out some money, right? So anyway, and then you just repeat that philosophy over and over and over every time it goes up a little bit. It goes up a little bit, you take a little off. It goes up a little bit, you take a little off. And that's how you do it. In our group, we also teach how to rebuy at certain rebreak points so you can fill back up, or when you should get out, when you should get all out. There's certain signals to know when to get all out. Click the link in my bio, you guys, if you're interested over on TikTok to come join our trading community and join us this morning in the Zoom on our zero lag 4K trading experience. Waiting for a setup on GRNQ. It's running right now. We already just had a setup. When it starts to pull back, we'll go for another setup. It is running right now. So when it pulls back, I'll tell you what will be the next, entrance. I got to take some off here at 2:30. I can get that ladder set up. See, this is how we get the ladder set up for you guys who are interested. Look, it already happened, what RJ does, for example. On the right side here, this is the active trading ladder. And I'm just putting in an order every 10-cent level. You can put it below each 10-cent levels, like 249. It just depends on how it's trading. But I've already got a tiered profit-taking ladder set up, and there's another profit point right there. And you just take profits all the way. Juan Conejo. No, I'm sorry, Canepa. That's totally different. But Conejo would be cool. Juan Canepa says, hey, I'm new here. Do you like doing shares or calls options more? We use options primarily for swing trading. And then about 95% of the time, we prefer to use shares, even when options are available when day trading, because there's so much more liquid and you can take out those partial profits at those exact points. It's much, much, much better. Yeah, every time you hear that ring, those are profits being taken. Ring, profits being taken. Up $1,000 roughly on GRNQ so far on a pretty small position, really. I bought $1,700 of GRNQ, and I'm up over $1,000 already. So that just goes to show you, if you come join our trading community, you don't really need a whole heck of a whole lot of money in order to make a whole heck of a lot of money. We go after what's hot every day, every morning, and we watch them, and that's how we play our game. So click the link in my bio. Come on over. We're going to be trading the markets in 11 minutes. Our market's open in 11 minutes. Metex is running, says Christina. From, I already forgot where you're from. Not Turkey. Where did you say you're from, Christina? Why can't I remember? Bulgaria? No. Shoot, I don't know why I can't remember. Hungary. Is it Hungary? Maybe it's Hungary. I don't know. I can't remember. Where are you from, Christina? And Metex. Let's take a look at it. Oh, look at that pop on Medex. Yeah, bit of a pop on Medex. 30 million shares traded. Yeah, that should get us through the day. All right, well, it would have been nice to know before it popped, right? Romania. Okay, Romania. Born in Moldova, and I'm not sure where that is. My apologies. But I'm familiar with Croatia, Albania, Bulgaria. I've been to these places. Bulgaria, Croatia, Albania, and I feel like I'm close. Am I close to where you're talking about? Oh, between Ukraine and Romania. Very good, very good. All right, you guys over on TikTok, let's see what's going on with Mark. All right, Mark is hanging in there. We want to keep watching GRNQ. It feels like GRNQ is going to be one of the hotter ones this morning. Let's keep a close eye on that. CRTD, SON M, MEDX, if it pulls back, we'll be able to create an entry. All right, GRNQ is starting to do its first pullback since $1.70. GRNQ around 270. So the next time it breaks, it could be at 290. And at 290, you'd be able to get in for 40 cents of risk per share. Okay, meaning you'd stop out at $2.50. So if you want to get into GRNQ, you would do so only if it breaks $2.90. And when it does so, that would be a strategic entry with 40 cents of risk per share to the stop of $2.50. How's everybody doing this morning on TikTok? What's up? Make sure you give me a bunch of likes. Come on right now. These gamer style likes. Everybody on TikTok, let's do that. Let's see if we can get it up to 10,000 in like a millisecond here. All together, collectively. There it goes. All right, 1.8 thousand, 1.9 thousand, 2,000, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, 2.3, 3.2, 3.4. Keep going, guys. Everybody, more. Pile on. 4.2. Pile on. 4.9, 5, 5.5. We're going so fast. 6, 6.8, 7, 7.7, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.3, 9.7, and 10,000 likes. All right, way to go. By the way, if you can throw me some diamonds, that'd be good too, because that helps the weekly ranking. Not that I need the money, but it helps the weekly ranking. So if you have any dimes to spare and you want our show to do better this week, and you have some dimes to spare, that'd be great. I accept. You guys on TikTok, if you'd like to join us live trading this morning, you can join our trading community by clicking the link in my bio. So you just click my profile button right there, and then it pulls up that pop-up from down here, and then you click my face one more time, go over to my bio, click the link in my bio, and that'll start you through the process of coming on over to our trading community of over 400 members. We are going to be trading the markets in 7 minutes here. We'll be all over the market. On Friday, we did over 1,000% in some cases on DWAC and Fun and Tesla. And today, we're going to be all over GRNQ, Mark, BENE. If DWAC continues, DWAC also. Thank you very much for the little thing that you just gave me there. DWAC, if it breaks 100, and I got to get you a high right now. There's a possible re-breakout coming on DWAC right now. If DWAC breaks 115, you can get in for $7 of risk to a stop at 108. And then we did the same thing on Thursday, same thing on Wednesday. Love to see you in the group. All right, Cody, 115 stop. DWAC was 110, up almost 2R on GNRQ. Way to go. Who's that? Li Shi, way to go. Entry for DWAC, yeah. So there it is. There's the breakout on DWAC. Another breakout on DWAC. 115 is now 117. Remember to take out a percentage, a small part of your position, every dollar that DWAC goes up. So that's 2. You've already taken 2 profits then on DWAC. All right. It looks like GRNQ wants to settle into the 8 moving average. So we'll see how that does over the next few minutes here. I don't advise getting the DWAC 150 calls, November calls. Somebody's asking about that. I don't advise that necessarily. I would advise you get something deeper in the money, like the 50 or the 100. And I doubt that the DWAC 150 calls are going to be cheap. You're probably going to be really up against it with a high premium on the volatility. All right, Metex did in fact have that little pullback. So the next break on Metex is going to be 41 cents for 3 cents of risk. There goes DWAC all the way up to 119, 120. DWAC flying. I think Mark is going to come next. Okay, keep your eyes on Mark. Mark may follow. Make sure you're taking your profits properly. Move your stop up to break even whenever you've taken 2 profit points. Yeah, Webull. I'm using Thinkorswim, but I recommend Webull. Here's my Webull link. I don't know if you guys will have a chance to see it go by so fast, probably. But that's the one I recommend. How am I feeling about Mark? Really, I don't follow my feelings at all. We checked feelings at the door a long time ago. Look, we're all over fun. Mark, BENE, DWAC, SONM, CRTD, GRNQ, MACQ, Sound, Comms, IZEA, and CETEX, and MEDEX, and CGYH, and PTLO. Why do I need to give a shit about Mark? One of these, if not 5 of these, are going to be making us a killing today, and we're going to go after the one that will. So right now that's DWAC, and it broke $115, and it hit 120 just moments ago. So that's great. We already got 4 profit points off of DWAC just then. GRNQ, we're waiting to see if it will put in another push. We're about 3 minutes until the market opens. Unhit 12. All right. Well, yep. We're for $1 of risk, you can get in that. METX, METX. We're looking for a break of 41 cents, for which you can get in for 3 cents of risk per share if you do a stop at 38 cents. How do you buy pre-market? You got to have the right broker for that, and then set your order type to pre-market. Yep. There's no answer on that. Is DWAC going to make an open up or down? You can't answer that. You got to understand, trading is like surfing. I don't make the waves. We just make the money. Okay? We make the moves on the waves. All right? Trading is like surfing. You can't change what's happening, but you can get a good ride off of it. All right, we have 1 minute and 55 seconds to the open. Make sure you click the link in my bio in order to join our trading community. And we're going to be open in 1 minute and 40 seconds. Don't forget to click the link in my bio, you guys over on TikTok. Link in the bio. All right, so we've got Mark and BENE and GRNQ probably at the top of our list, but DWAC is also really happening. So we'll be keeping a watch on those. We'll be opening. The market's going to open in 57 seconds. I'm looking forward to seeing how hot each of these stocks get. If you'd like to join our trading community, click the link in my bio of over 400 trading members who on Friday, for example, we collectively made $1.5 million together. Click the link in my bio to come join that. All right, we've got 30 seconds to go right now. Here we go. 8 seconds, 7 seconds. DWAC is still running. The entrance on DWAC was 115. Get ready to take your profit on DWAC. It could really shoot up at the open, or get ready to cut DWAC at the open. Tesla is about to break out. 953 would be your breakout level, for which you can get in for $4 of risk. Tesla, if it breaks 953. DWAC is pulling back. 115 is your exit. Exit DWAC. DWAC is falling. Mark is falling. Watch out. Be careful. No entrance yet. No entrance yet on after the open here. Apple has broken out. Apple for 60 cents of risk. Apple, you can get into Apple, AAPL, for 40 cents of risk. MEDX is about to break that 41. There's MEDX breaking 41 cents for 3 cents of risk. METX, METX. That was the breakout on MEDX. I was not getting a call from the Matrix. All right, and then you've already hit 3 profit points on MEDX, taking off every penny. So 42, 43, there you go. And then we just had, what did we have just break just there? That's MEDX continuing, I believe. MEDX with 43 cents a gain. I mean, at 43 cents is your second profit target, and you want to move your stop up to break even now on METX, METX. Move your stop up to 41 cents. All right, watch DWAC, GRNQ. I have a position over there on GRNQ. I'm going to flatten now because it just seems to be going down. And CRTD, we're watching SONM, COM, there goes Tesla. Tesla for $5 of risk. Boom. Anybody in Tesla? Watch out, you guys on MEDX. Make sure you set your stop to your break even. All right, if you guys want to join us live trading this morning, any second here, we're going to have our entrances. We're watching all these opportunities like a hawk in our live trading community. Make sure you click the link in my bio. Thank you very much for tuning in this morning for the pre-market show. And I look forward to seeing you in the group in just a few minutes. Just click the link in my bio in order to come join our trading community of over 400 members. On Friday, we collectively did over $1.5 million on fun, Tesla, and DWAC, and I look forward to seeing you in there. Thank you very much for tuning in this morning. Bye-bye now.